This right here is the all-new AGM Note N1, a well-priced smartphone that ticks a lot of boxes in the budget segment and also in the smartphone market. This smartphone will reward you with an excellent battery life and also a pleasing Android experience. The specs and performance makes up for a very good budget smartphone. It comes with a 50 megapixels main camera, a 5000 mAh battery, a 90Hz screen refresh with an 8 gigs of RAM and powered by the UniSoC T606 processor. It can also game too. Okay, this smartphone costs 99,900 in Naira for the 8 gigs of RAM and the 128 gigs of internal storage. That's about $114 US. And inside the box, you have a user guide and a warranty card, and then a SIM ejector pin, a transparent case for the device, a charging brick, and a USB Type-C cable. No earphones and no extra stickers. Instead, you have the screen guard or the screen protector film pre-applied on the phone already. Okay, in the design side of things, this phone is completely plastic, but it feels like glass. It reflects when light hits it, but it is entirely plastic built and also very much durable. And then you have the fingerprint sensor on the side of the smartphone with the volume rocker case. And then the SIM card tray on the left, and underneath is the USB Type-C port, the noise cancelling mic, a 3.5 earphone jack, and the speaker grill. And then you have the dual camera lens and the flashlight behind. I honestly think this blue color is really nice. I mean, it's going to complement a lot of class. That is, if you love flashy smartphones, the AGM Note N1 is for you. On the display side of things, it is an IPS panel with a 90Hz screen refresh, and the display responds to touches very well. And then it is also very colorful on viewing media. The 6.52-inch display has good color angles with a 720p resolution. The bezels are visible below and on the top. You have the water drop notch here, but it doesn't obstruct your viewing experience in any way. There is no 5G connectivity here. You have 4G connectivity here, and that's enough for a budget smartphone to watch your YouTube videos without lags and your Netflix or your Prime videos. And then to take you through the day, you have a 5000 mAh battery that will last even more than just a day. This processor is not considered a gaming processor, but it is big on multitasking. And you can play most 3D games here without any lags. But if you must play any of these high demanding games, you'll have to tweak your game settings a little bit. It's a 12nm processor, and you have the Android version 13 here with an 8 gigs of RAM and the 128 gigs for media storage. Of course, you can expand the memory if you want with the micro SD card. See guys, even though this smartphone is not big on gaming, but the processor here can multitask and do a lot of stuff, especially if you're a student. This will be a very good companion if you're in school. And the fingerprint unlock on the side is fast enough to unlock the device, and that's fine with me. The response is okay. The camera here is a 50 megapixels main camera with an extra macro camera lens. Honestly, the picture quality is okay, especially in a good lighting condition or daylight. It has a lot of details present. The color is fine, high dynamic range is not missing, and then you have the macro picture with good details too. In the video recording, it shoots 1080p videos at 30 frames per second with good details, especially daylight videos. And there's also the selfie camera that is also okay. It is an 8 megapixels and it gets better when you have a good light condition. This is what it feels like shooting a video with the front-facing camera of the AGM Note N1. So guys, what are your thoughts? How do you think the picture quality is? Is the sound okay? Let me know what you think about the color reproduction of this video. This AGM Note N1 is a well-priced smartphone with a good battery life, although it has some limitations like no ultra-wide camera here, and also some corners cut. But if your priority is budget and battery, I highly recommend getting the AGM Note N1 because overall performance is okay, especially for an entry-level smartphone, and also not so big on gaming, but I think it can multitask very well and perform other tasks daily. So guys, what are your thoughts? What do you think about the AGM Note N1 in the comment section? And if it's your first time, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget the bell icon for notifications on my next video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.